All right, so that was 2 quarts of our lime sherbet. Now I'm coming in with our mini cans of Sprite. All right, into our punch bowl. Now that we have our Sprite in there, we're gonna come in with our pineapple juice, and this is our 46 ounces of pineapple juice, and we are putting that right in there with our Sprite and our sherbet for this easy, delicious holiday treat. Oh my goodness. I love lime, lemon, and pineapple together, and this is no exception. Ooh.
It smells delicious.
It smells so good. This is a must-have for any holiday party. Now I have my green berry rush punch that we are going to add into to make sure we have that beautiful green color, because that is the best part of this punch. It makes it so festive, so fun, and great for kids, great for adults. If you're having an adult party, you could spike this, but we're keeping it family friendly, and we are adding this whole entire thing of punch. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna come in with a spoon, and we gotta give everything a good mix. You don't need any ice for this one because the sherbet is gonna act as our ice and create a nice little foamy top for this super fun punch. And we like this kind of, off green because it reminds us of the Grinch. Yep, you heard that right. But we're gonna make this extra festive. I have here some vanilla frosting. This is optional, but I have my little Grinch cup, and this is just like a little decal that I stuck onto my cup. And we are going to give our cup a frosting rim, just like that. So easy. And then we have our sprinkles, and I'm using red sprinkles to counter all of the green that we're doing. And we're just gonna sprinkle that right on top of the frosting. All right, and we can keep those other sprinkles for our other cups. Okay, and now this is ready. We're gonna go ahead and grab our ladle, and we're gonna carefully pour it in. Try not to ruin the red rim. One thing our Grinch is missing is his heart. So as a little nod to his heart, we're gonna add a maraschino cherry into each glass.
That's a nod to my heart too.
All right, now our fun Grinch drink is ready. Let's give it a try.
Is it good?
That is way too good.